Hip hop reggae in a dancehall style. Hip hop reggae in a dancehall style. Hip hop reggae in a dancehall style. 2 o'clock on a Friday morning. Come a gunman, come a knife man. Laugh up the bands and mash up the cars. On the run, me say come a King Street. Yeah, he was arrested and tested, and the drugs he had in him, he confessed it. We calling on the youth in this country. Whole heap of boys and a whole heap of girls. Drug abuse is a dangerous thing. Start off drugs and stop the violence. In a this time we have to abuse the drugs. Listen what I say, hey, I'm a point of view. Too much drugs you can go mental. Aside Dr. Alban telling everybody, we no want no coke, no heroin, no hash, no amphetamine.